Hey everyone, if you're into AI video creation, you've probably heard the buzz today. Higgsfield AI just dropped their game-changing feature Vibe-Motion. Released on February 3rd, this is the tool everyone's raving about, and for good reason. It's powered by Anthropic's Claude Reasoning model, turning simple text prompts into stunning motion design videos in seconds. So, what makes Vibe-Motion special? It's all about effortless creativity. You type a prompt like create a 3D isometric McDonald's Happy Meal with glossy textures and vivid lighting, and boom! It generates professional-level motion graphics, complete with animations, effects, and cinematic flair. No coding or design skills needed. But here's the killer part: real-time canvas control. Tweak elements on the fly, adjust movements, add effects, or refine the vibe without starting over. It's like having a motion design studio in your browser, perfect for creators, marketers, or anyone wanting quick, high-quality visuals for social media, ads, or presentations. Powered by Claude's smart reasoning, it understands your intent deeply, reducing errors and delivering polished results. We've seen early tests creating everything from infographics to viral challenges, and is only desktop for now, with mobile coming soon. If you're ready to level up your content game, check out my link in the description to try it out. This is the future of motion design, accessible, fast, and fun. Drop a like if you're excited, and let me know in the comments what you'll create first. See you next time!